Chimpanzees can rip the branch off a tree with one hand. This is a simple, startling fact. It immediately makes us reconsider everything we thought we knew about these familiar-looking relatives of ours. We see them in zoos, on television. They often seem so human-like, so approachable, almost like hairy, funny-faced children. But this image is a profound misunderstanding of their true nature. The reality is that a chimpanzee possesses a biological power that can feel almost superhuman when compared to our own. This single fact opens a door to a world of other surprising abilities, a world we will explore, gently and clearly. This essay promises to take you on a journey into the world of the chimpanzee, far beyond the superficial glance. We will not just focus on their shocking physical capabilities. We will delve into the complexities of their minds, the richness of their social lives, the depth of their emotional experiences. We will use clear, simple language and concrete examples, breaking their world into understandable pieces. Their bodies, their brains, their behaviors, and their feelings. The goal is not just to surprise you, but to build a bridge of understanding and respect. Before we dive in, one small story hints at their cleverness. A young chimpanzee named Flint once watched his mother, Flo, use a blade of grass to fish termites from a mound. At first, his attempts were clumsy, leaves too wide, twigs too brittle. He grew frustrated, but he did not give up. He watched his mother again and again, carefully observing her technique. After many failed attempts, he selected the right stem and prepared it just so. He successfully extracted his own termites. This moment showed observation, patience, and learning, a superpower of the mind. Throughout our exploration, we will see that chimpanzees are not just strong or just smart. They are a complex tapestry of abilities. Power is impressive, but intelligence guides it. Emotional bonds hold their societies. Communication navigates their world. By understanding these interconnected superpowers, we move from amazement to appreciation. Let us begin with the incredible machine that is the chimpanzee body. When we look at a chimpanzee, we see a body that is a masterpiece of evolutionary engineering, perfectly suited for power and agility. An adult male may not look much larger than a small human, but his strength is the stuff of legend. Studies suggest they are several times stronger than a human of the same size. Not magic, but architecture. Longer fibers and leverage allow explosive bursts of power. They can swing for hours and tear apart tough vegetation for food. Anatomy tuned for canopy life. Long muscular arms, incredible reach, and grasping hands and feet. Long curved fingers and an opposable big toe create a vice-like hold high above the ground. On the ground, a unique knuckle walk protects finger pads while giving speed and stability. Strength defends territory, cracks nuts like hammers, and jaws handle a varied diet, even occasional meat. Forward-facing eyes give depth for leaps. A robust frame meets the forest's harsh demands. Their power isn't aggression for its own sake. It fuels foraging, defense of family, and navigation of a 3D world. To see a chimp move through trees is harmony, strength, balance, grace, a superpower tuned by evolution. Beyond brawn, the chimpanzee mind is a subtle superpower, a toolkit to solve problems, plan for the future, and navigate a complicated world. Their problem-solving shows insight and planning, not just trial and error. Outside of us, chimpanzees are the animal kingdom's most skilled tool users. Different regions developed unique traditions, stone nut cracking, fishing rods from twigs or grass. They even create spears by sharpening sticks to hunt small primates like bush babies. They remember vast territories, thousands of trees, what fruits ripen when, and plan efficient routes to resources they haven't visited in months. They remember territorial boundaries and hostile hotspots, avoiding or preparing for conflict. Their mind is a dynamic, adaptive system for thriving in a changing environment. Planning, tools, memory, practical and profound. Complex thought is not uniquely human. It is shared with our closest relatives. Their mental toolkit is a quiet superpower, less dramatic than strength, yet crucial to survival. Perhaps the most surprising superpower is culture. You know, decades of observation show chimp traditions. One community cracks nuts with stones, another dips for ants. Not instinct. Local inventions pass by social learning. Some display in downpours, some use leaf sponges, others never adopt it. A loud leaf clip may invite play in one group, unknown in another. Societies are mosaics of customs. Youngsters learn by watching elders, especially mothers, then practice until fluent. Culture spreads and persists across generations. They live by deep bonds: joy, fear, anger, sadness, even grief and empathy, comforting losers of fights with hugs and gentle pats. In fission-fusion societies, politics matters. Dominance is won with coalitions and social skill, not brute force alone. They speak without words, calls, expressions, postures, gestures, with intention, repeating or switching to be understood. This constant stream of signals holds society together, enabling cooperation, reconciliation, and strategic maneuvering. Being a successful chimp means strength, smarts, and social savvy, an elegant convergence of body, mind, and heart. The final superpower is the story they tell about us. We share 98.7% of our DNA, a living link to our past. Their biology, behavior, minds, tools, politics, empathy, and cultures mirror ancestral possibilities. Yet the mirror is shattering. Habitat loss, hunting, illegal trade, and disease push them toward extinction. Losing them would be an immeasurable tragedy. But there is hope. Through habitat protection, community partnerships, and rescue centers working tirelessly. Support conservation groups, choose sustainably, and spread awareness. We all can contribute. We have a moral responsibility, not only because they are extraordinary, but because their fate intertwines with ours. Their superpowers remind us intelligence, emotion, and culture are shared across a family of life. Protecting them preserves our heritage and the planet we share. If we listen, we learn a simple truth. In protecting our closest relatives, we also protect a part of ourselves.